Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to link your Delta Sky Miles account to your American Express membership rewards so you can transfer points easily. First, go to americanexpress.com and log into your account. Next, head over to the membership rewards section. This is where all your Amex points are managed. From there, select the option to transfer points to a loyalty partner. Now, choose Delta Sky Miles from the list of partners. You'll be prompted to enter your Delta Sky Miles number so Amex can link the two accounts. Once linked, enter the amount of points you want to transfer. Keep in mind, transfers are increments of 1,000 points. Before submitting, review all the details and then confirm the transfer. A couple of important things to remember. Transfers are usually instant, but they can take up to 48 hours. The standard transfer ratio is 1:1, meaning 1,000 Amex points equals 1,000 Sky Miles. Sometimes, Amex run transfer bonuses, so keep an eye out for those. Finally, Amex will charge a small excise tax offset fee for the transfer. And that's it. That's how to link your Delta Sky Miles account to your American Express membership rewards. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.